here's one you won't see every day. Check this out, 1952 Studebaker Commander, convertible. And this one actually is done up as a tribute or a replica of the official Indy 500 pace car. I believe this particular blue was considered Maui blue. That's what the pace car color would have been. Red interior, camel colored top, very nice looking car. This car was restored within the last 8 to 10 years approximately, has not had a lot of miles put on it since restoration. Just driven some sparingly, still very nice shape. See, it's riding on the wide whites, Studebaker wheel covers, chrome and bright work on this car, extremely nice. Did notice there's a couple little small, you'll notice a little chip there where the hood meets up against the fender. Couple small blemishes you may find, but they're very few and far in between. Now, if you'd like to check out the still pictures so you can take a good look at this and look over the car, see the undersides, the engine bay, the interior, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link you can click on that'll also take you there. Feel free to call us too, 507-386-1726. Be happy to answer questions you may have on this car. Take a look down the side here. You can see the paint's got a nice luster to it. See the reflection in the sides. Nice graphics on the side of it. There you can see 500-mile race, Indianapolis, May 30th, 1952. Camel top I left up in the video so you could see the kind of condition it is in. That also very nice shape, not full of rips or tears or stains or anything like that. And check out the pictures of the interior. Very original stock dash. Check out the red bent seat up front. Does have the red boot to match. And again, you can check those all out in the pictures. Car is very stunning in the pictures and in person. Now, we do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course, we can sure assist you with getting this car to where you're located at. This particular car is powered by the 233 cubic inch V8 underneath the hood. That's paired with a manual 3-speed transmission. Shifter on the column. I'm going to show you how you start this up. A very cool way to start the car. Kind of interesting. You don't see a lot of them like this. And we'll check underneath the hood. Listen to this engine run. See how that engine bay looks here in just a little bit. Again, down below this video, in the description, there's a link you can click on. That's going to take you to uniqueclassiccars.com. Once again, our phone number, 507-386-1726. Take a long look at this beautiful 52 Studebaker Commander convertible. Again, look up and down the driver's side. See how nice the graphics are on this side. Not full of dings, nicks, scratches. See the paint's in nice condition. Got the stone guard back here in the front of the rear fender. Some very nice chrome and bright work on this car. One of the coolest things I thought when I first saw this car, and it shows up a lot better when you got the top down in the light, but this is almost a translucent steering wheel, also in red. But look at how the chrome reflects the red also. Just great condition interior. Door panels. Dome light working above the dash there. The radio, I did have it on, and it did have some static to it. I could not get a station in, FYI, but it did power up. Like I said, 3-speed manual in the column there. Just go ahead and look at this interior. Check it out in the pictures. I have the rear boot folded down because I put the top up again so you could see what kind of condition this top is in. Check out the driver's side here also. We're going to go ahead and start this up so we can check out that engine bay and listen to this thing run too. Now, as far as it starting, the clutch pedal down here, I'm going to see if I can show you. First of all, key on. We're going to go ahead and push this clutch pedal in. That's all I'm going to do. Once you push it far enough, it engages the starter. That's how you start the car. Now, the red blinking light, I do have the parking brake slightly engaged, so I'm going to let out the clutch. And we're going to get out, listen to this thing run, check out that engine bay. nicely that door closes and fits. Slip around to the back. Just what you'd expect out of a stock Studebaker 233 cubic inch V8 underneath the hood. I'm going to go ahead and pause this a second. Let's take a look underneath this hood. Alright, got the hood up, prop rod on it. See how nice and clean it is underneath there. And again, very stock underneath here. Smooth running engine. Front grill here. As you can see, 6-volt system still in it. Very nice and tidy underneath there. So there you have it, 233 cubic inch V8. You won't see one of these every day. Take to your local shows, cruise-ins. Very cool Studebaker. 1952 Studebaker Commander Convertible. Dressed up as a tribute to the official pace car, the 1952 Indianapolis 500. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. Again, uniqueclassiccars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at. Give us a call.